If you experience a plumbing leak, the first thing to do is turn off the water. Individual shutoff valves are usually located at each sink and toilet. Using the individual shutoffs allow you to continue to use water in the rest of the home. However, if you can't isolate the leak, you may need to shut off water to your entire home. The main water valve may be located under your home or in your utility room. It's generally easy to spot because it's a large red handled valve. Now, if you can't remember the location, call your model home center and they'll help you locate it over the phone. In some cases, there's another main shutoff valve in your yard or at the street. Take a moment to locate this valve, as you may need to use it in case of an emergency. Once it's shut off, contact a licensed plumbing specialist for assistance. Along with the main water line, your home also has a main sewer or septic line for your sinks, bathtubs, and toilets. If your system gets clogged to the point where you cannot relieve the blockage with a plunger, you may need to clean out the system using the main cleanout. If this is required, we recommend that you hire a professional plumber to address the situation. Sometimes the water flow from a faucet becomes restricted or unsteady, which probably means the aerator is clogged. Unscrew the aerator, take out the screen, and clean it. Replace the assembly and the water flow should return to normal. Your home has either a gas or electric water heater. You can increase efficiency and save money by not overheating your water. Try keeping the temperature at 115 to 125 degrees. You'll also save money by turning the heater down when leaving for vacation or for prolonged periods. Toilets today use low-capacity 1.6-gallon tanks. These use less water per flush, saving millions of gallons of water each year. However, at times it may be necessary to flush more than once. This is normal and not necessarily an indication of a problem with the system. Sink traps are designed to help eliminate sewer gas. The water that's in the trap acts as a barrier, blocking unwanted odors. In bathrooms where sinks, showers, and bathtubs are not regularly used, run water into the drain once a month to keep the trap working. If you live in an area where your temperature falls below freezing in the winter months, be sure to remove your lawn hoses from the outside faucets so that water will not freeze in the line, causing potentially serious water problems.